Okay, coming to the third question. If 2, 4x is a multiple of 3 where x is a digit, what is the value of x? Okay. So since 2, 4x is a multiple of 3, sum of the digits 2, 4x, 2 plus 4 plus x is a multiple of 3. Okay, so sum of the digits, it's going to be a multiple of 3. It's known. Okay, so see, so 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus x equal to 3k. So whatever answer we are going to get, that is going to be a multiple of 3. That's why we are writing 3k. 3 into k. Okay. So k value, if you put 0 means, I didn't write here, if you put 0 means you will get x value as minus 6, which is not possible. Again 1 we are trying, that I have written here. You are getting minus 3 answer. Okay, 3, x is a digit, it's a digit, it cannot be a negative number, so this is also not possible. So moving to the next possible way is k is equal to 2 we are putting. Okay, 6 plus x is equal to 3 into 2, because we are substituting k value as 2, that's why 3 into 2. So 3 into 2 is 6. So x value we want, we will bring the 6 this side of the equal to, other side of equal to, so it will become minus, whichever positive this side, when it goes to the other side of equal to, it will go in minus sign. So 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay, so in order to confirm whether we are doing correct, again we are writing 2 plus 4 plus 0 equal to 6, which is a multiple of 3. Okay, so this is a possible answer. Then one more, 4 is k is equal to 3 we are putting. So in place of k you are writing 3. So 3 into 3 is 9. So x is equal to 9 minus 6 equal to 3. So x value 3. So in order to confirm whether it is correct or not, we are substituting and find out in the addition of digits, 2 plus 4 plus 3 equal to 9, which is multiple of 3. Okay, so one more we have to try. K is equal to 4. Okay, so 3 into 4 is 12. So x is equal to 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. Okay, so this is also, when you substitute in the sum of digits, it is correct. So because 12 is a multiple of 3. Then for 5 we are trying. So you will get x value as 9. Okay, so when you put in the sum of the digits, you are getting 15 as the sum of the digits, which is also multiple of 3. Then again for k is equal to 6. So when you put k is equal to 6, you will get x value as 12. 12 is a 2-digit number, but x is a digit, which is not possible to put a 2-digit number. Okay, so hence the required value of x are 0, 3, 6 or 9. Any of this only you can put the value of x. Okay, so initially we tried for k is equal to 1, that is also not possible. At last we tried for k is equal to 6, which is also not possible. So the x value which and all you got for k is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, that is only correct. So x value only you have to take, don't take k value. Okay, so moving to the next question. If 3, 1, z, 5 is a multiple of 3 where z is a digit, what might be the value of z? Okay, same like the previous problem only. The number is a multiple of 3 means then the sum of the digits will also be divisible by 3. So sum of the digits 3, 1, z, 5, no. So that we have to add it. 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5 equal to 3k. Why? Any number it is going to give, that will be a multiple of 3. That's why you are writing 3 into k. Okay, so that's why it is simplified to 9 plus z is equal to 3k. Okay, so k is equal to 0, 1, 2 is not possible. Whenever you put 0 k for 0, 1, 2, if you put and see, it will come in negative numbers, which is not possible. That's why we are taking k equal to 3. So 9 plus z is equal to 3 into 3, because just now we took k is equal to 3. Okay, so z is equal to 9 minus 9 equal to 0. Okay, so now we are getting z value as 0. Then k is equal to 4 you are taking, then you will get z value as 3. Okay, so 0, 3 and all, it's possible. So that is all considered. K is equal to 5 you are putting. So that time you will get z value as 6. Okay, 15 minus 9 equal to 6. Then the last that is for the confirmation. 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. 15 which is a multiple of 3, that's for only confirmation. Okay, then k is equal to 6 we are trying, so that time we will get z is equal to 9. So 9 is also a single digit number, it can be taken as value of z. Okay, then k is equal to 7 we are trying, so that time we will get z value as 12. 12 is a 2 digit number which cannot be taken as a value for z, so that is not possible. So the possible z value can be 0, 3, 6 and 9. These are the possible z value. Now once again I am telling, don't take the k value. K value is just for substituting and finding out z value. Okay, k value need not be considered, only the z value that has to be taken as the answer. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you children, that's all for this video.